Well, it's hard to imagine what was going through that pilot's mind trying to land on an interstate, but a couple in Midland who both have flying experience have made emergency landings before. News West 9's Christina Burgess spoke with them about what exactly do pilots do, what they need to do when they need to put that plane down quickly, right, Christina?
Well, yeah, Crystal, it sounds as scary as it is the situation, but the main thing that you should do is remain calm, even in what may seem really scary. The good thing is pilots do have enough time while in the air to think fast and make a plan for a safe landing. Emergency landings aren't something pilots have to do often, but in the rare chance they do, there are steps in place to make sure their landing is a safe one. Aviation instructor Ed Munoz tells me the first thing the pilot must do is notify the control tower, and as hard as it may be, remain calm.
All you can do is keep calm and do what you have to.
As for where to land exactly, he says highways and open fields are the safest routes.
Highways, especially the interstates, are a good place to land, and you can usually land between the cars anyway, because they usually see you coming down. Then you start slowing down, and the ones in front speed up, so highway landings are usually pretty safe. If you're looking for a good place to land, if it's even an empty field, depending on where you're going to land, some places you have to put the gear up and slide in to the least damage to the plane, and you won't flip it over.
Muniz says pilots usually have enough time to get a plan into action.
They have a glide ratio that you've got plenty of time to figure out what you're going to do, or the thing just quit.
Ed's wife Sylvia also used to fly planes in the Air Force in the 50s and knows firsthand how to make an emergency landing, as she's had to make some in her time flying.
And if you have an emergency when you're a passenger, stay calm and let the crew handle it. They'll get you down. They'll take care of you. That's what they're trained to do it. You're not, they are. So, but it's just basically staying calm and using your head. Don't panic. If you panic, you lose everything. But
now, the couple also says there is a checklist that pilots do go through before they take off so that everything is in place in case they do need to make an emergency landing at any time. Crystal?